Life of the Buddha Part 8. The Buddha's Ministry. How long did the Buddha last? 45 years. His ministry was the most successful and longest of all the religious teachers. The cause of his success was his noble personality, the greatness of the Dhamma, and the methods used to teach the Dhamma. He had many supporters like King Kosala, King Bimbisara, Anathapindika, and Visakha. Had he any opponents? Yes, Devadatta, his own cousin and pupil, was his chief opponent. Also he had opposition from rival sects, but he faced them bravely. The Buddha first visited the kingdom of King Bimbisara. The Buddha preached the Mahanarada Kassapa Jataka. The king was converted and he became a Sotapanna. The king offered the bamboo grove Velvanarama to the Buddha and the Sangha. The first two chief disciples. Who were the Buddha's first two chief disciples? Venerable Sariputta and Moggallana. Sariputta was the son of a Brahmin lady named Sari. His other name was Upatissa. Moggallana was the son of a Brahmin lady named Moggali. His other name was Kolita. They realized the vanity of worldly pleasure and wanted to seek peace. They went to a teacher named Sanjaya. They were dissatisfied with his teaching. They left him and went in two directions seeking the truth. Sariputta met Arahat Assaji. He preached Dhamma on the law of cause and effect. Arahat Assaji preached of things that proceed from a cause, their cause that Tathagata has told, and also their cessation. Thus teaches the great ascetic. Ye Dhamma hetu bhavava tesang hetun Tathagato aha tesang chayo nirodho evam vadi mahasamano. On hearing the first two lines, Upatissa became a Sotapanna. When Sariputta went and repeated the verse to Kolita, Moggallana, he also became a Sotapanna. They went to see the Buddha, and after hearing the Dhamma from him, they attained Arahatya. They requested the Buddha to admit them into the order. They were admitted by the mere words, Etha Bhikkhave, come, O bhikkhus, Ehi bhikkhu. The Buddha made Arahat Sariputta his first chief disciple and Arahat Moggallana his second chief disciple.